Israel has taken a major step in strengthening its multi-layered air and missile defense network. In the middle of the ongoing War of the Iron Swords, the Ministry of Defense carried out an intense series of combat trials for the David Sling medium-range air defense system, proving it can intercept ballistic missiles, maneuvering cruise missiles, and even small drones. Developed by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and U.S. defense giant Raytheon, RTX, David Sling sits between the short-range Iron Dome and long-range Arrow systems, creating a seamless defense umbrella over Israel's skies. Its heart is the Stunner Interceptor, a high-speed hit-to-kill missile designed to physically smash targets without using explosives, reducing collateral damage while guaranteeing extreme precision. Capable of speeds up to Mach 7.5 and engaging threats up to 300 kilometers away, it can destroy incoming missiles before they even reach the upper atmosphere. For pinpoint accuracy, Stunner uses a dual-mode seeker combining AESA radar and infrared targeting, plus advanced ECCM and IRCCM tech to defeat enemy jamming. The system's powerful LM-2084 radar can track up to 100 targets at once, with a detection range of 470 kilometers, giving commanders full 360 degrees coverage. The mobile launcher carries 16 interceptors and can be rapidly deployed anywhere, a key advantage in countering surprise salvos, swarm drone attacks, and coordinated missile barrages. During testing, David Sling neutralized every simulated threat, from hypersonic-like maneuvering missiles to low-flying UAVs, including scenarios modeled after future combat environments. The system has already proven itself in real combat, including the interception of ballistic missiles during the massive Iranian strike of 2024. While no defense is completely impenetrable, David Sling's combination of speed, range, and accuracy makes it one of the most advanced missile defense systems in the world. More than just a military asset, it's a shield for Israel's civilians and infrastructure, stopping destruction before it reaches its target, and showing why cutting-edge defense tech is as much about saving lives as it is about winning battles.